Welcome to our basic tutorial series on Microsoft Teams. Today we're going to learn about how to create a meeting in Microsoft Teams. Let's get started. First, we're going to learn how to create a meeting on the desktop client. So in the upper right, click on New Meeting. Next, we will be adding a title for this meeting. Today it'll be Test Meeting. In the Add Required Attendance field, we can type a full email address of a participant that you would like to join the meeting. This person can be outside of your organization. It has to be their full email address. Click there, okay. Next, we want to pick the date for the meeting. We can pick following day, that's fine. And then the time will be in the afternoon. Okay, we do not repeat. We're not adding it to a channel. Put in some details about the meeting. It's always good to put in a little bit of details for your participants. They will receive an email, and the details will help them understand what the meeting is about. Okay. Send. And here is an example of the email that your participants will receive. Okay, now we're going to have a look at doing the same thing on the iPhone client. Here we're in the Microsoft Teams and we have our calendar open. Click at the new scheduled meeting icon in the upper right. We will title the meeting, Test Meeting for Saturday. Okay, we'll add our participants. We'll type in the full email of the participant again. Okay, click here. Done. Again, we're not going to be adding this to a channel. And we'll pick our start and end times and the date. So we'll just do it for the following day again, and 3 p.m. Okay, it's not going to repeat. Location, we can type in virtual meeting. It's fine. Description. This is a test meeting. Perfect. And that all looks good. And we'll hit done. Now the meeting should show up in our calendar right here. So on the mobile client, we can click on it and just view the details briefly. You can see here all the participants that are involved in the meeting. Click the See More button. This is what the person will see in their email. When they get their email, it will be in the body of the email. The More tab shows if there's any files for the meeting, and then the Chat tab. There's chat during the meeting or pre-meeting. This is where it will show up. Android client, here we go. Okay, we click on Schedule Meeting in the lower right. Add a title, Test Meeting. Okay. We'll add our participants. So again, we type in the full email address of the participant. Okay, invite. Click the little checkbox. Okay, we're not adding this to a channel again. So then we pick our date and time once again. The following day. And then we'll do 3 p.m. Okay. Location, we can put virtual meeting again. That's fine. It's not going to be a repeating meeting. And the details, test meeting for Saturday. Okay, check box. We're all done. Click submit. Okay, now we can see the meeting shows up in our calendar. If we click on the meeting, we can pull up its details and have a look through again, like we previously. There we go. We see all the participants in the meeting. If we click on the See More, we will see all of the information in the email body. There we go. There's a More tab. There's nothing at this time. And then Chat, as before. So if you had started a chat with your participants previously, it will show up here, or the chat during the meeting, you can get to it from here. And here's some options you can use for the chat. You can either mute it or leave. And that's it. That's how you can create a meeting in Microsoft Teams. Thank you. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please feel free to subscribe to our channel and give us a thumbs up, as it really helps us out. We will see you in the next video.